Welcome to Shell's Sugar Rush, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today we're going to be making this giant cookie cake. Great alternative for someone who doesn't like traditional cake, and very quick and easy to put together. So let's get started. Okay, so for our giant chocolate chip cookie, you're going to need 1/2 cup or 1 stick of salted melted butter, okay, and 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And you will need 3/4 of a cup of tightly packed brown sugar, light or dark is fine, and in here I also have my 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, okay? You will need 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips, your preference on that. I also have, of course, a mixing bowl and spatula ready, and I'm going to be baking mine in a springform pan. You can use a 9 to 10 inch springform pan, and I've just sprayed it with some butter spray, just for easy release, okay? So let's put it all together. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and combine my dry ingredients here in this little bowl. Okay, and I'll just whisk that together. We'll set it to the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour my sugar into my mixing bowl. Let's start with the sugar, okay? And we're gonna add our melted butter. And we're just going to mix that up real good. And you want to also make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and add in our egg and our vanilla extract. And now we're going to add in our dry ingredients. And you just go ahead and put all that in there. And just combine it together real well. Of course, this is going to be thick. You know, cookie dough is a very thick consistency, so it's going to take some elbow grease. You can do this in a mixer, stand mixer. Some people prefer that, and that's okay. But you can just, of course, just mix it together just as well. So one less thing dirty. So I like to kind of fold it and kind of smash everything down and just make sure it's good and incorporated. And you can see now we have our cookie dough, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and fold in our chocolate chips. All right. So there we go, we're ready to go in the pan. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get all that in there. And then we're just gonna mash it around and spread it out real nice and even. And then we're gonna pop it into our 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, so you see here, this is a, nice golden brown on top. So I think we're ready to pull it out. Okay, so our cookie cake is ready, and you can see, you know, this one is pretty thick, and you can put this in anything from a 9 to a 12-inch pan. It just really depends on how thick or thin you want it. And you know, if you put it in a larger pan and it's thinner, you just want to cut down your cooking time and just check it a bit sooner, okay? So we're going to let this cool and then put a little decor on it since it's going out for a birthday. And as I said before, this is a great alternative for somebody who's really not a big fan of cake for any type of celebration. Okay, so our cookie is cooled and out of our pan. You can do this in a regular pan, but again, I love the springform pan just because you don't need any parchment paper and easy release, very nice edges as well. So I've got a little bit of cream cheese icing here, colored in turquoise, and just gonna put a little decoration on the cookie. Okay, now I'm gonna change my tip and just do a little border. And there we go. There is our finished cookie cake. Quick and easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I hope to see you back in the future for more videos like this. Thank you.